Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into a Black Shark 5. First of all, open your list of your application and find here screen recorder apps. It's standard application on this phone. Okay, when we tap on this application we got this panel, so here we got start stop button, folder button and settings, so tap settings. And now we open our settings of screen recorder and here we got video quality option. So if you wanna customize this option, press, select another value, for example this, and for saving select and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.